Most people get this wrong when choosing reward gaming apps. They install the first app they see, start playing, and then wonder why their earnings feel slow or inconsistent. But the truth is, not all reward apps work the same. In this video, you'll get a full, honest comparison between Mistplay and Rewarded Play in 2026, including how they pay, which one is faster, and which one is actually worth your time. And stay until the end because I'll show you the simple rule that decides which app you should pick based on your country and gaming style. Let's get straight into it. First, here's the core idea. Both apps pay you for playing mobile games, but they do it in slightly different ways. Mistplay focuses on a point system called units, while Rewarded Play gives coins that can be redeemed for gift cards. On the surface, they look similar, but the earning structure is different. Now let's talk about Mistplay first. Mistplay is more structured. It shows you a list of games, and each game has its own reward rate. The more you progress in a game, the more you earn. For example, Alex might download a strategy game and earn points as he levels up. But here's the problem. Rewards can slow down after a while, and not every game is available in every region. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mistplay rewards consistency and smart game selection. If you choose high reward games, you can earn faster. But if you pick randomly, your earnings drop quickly. Now, let's look at Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play is simpler. You play games, earn coins, and redeem them for gift cards. It feels more straightforward, especially for beginners. John, for example, can just pick a game and start earning without worrying too much about optimization. But here's the catch. Rewarded Play is mostly available on Android and can have fewer high-paying offers compared to Mistplay in some regions. So while it is easier to use, the earning potential may be slightly lower depending on where you live. Now here's the key difference most people miss. Mistplay is about strategy and optimization. Rewarded Play is about simplicity and ease of use. One rewards smart choices, the other rewards casual play. In a minute, I'll show you how to decide which app is better for you in under 10 seconds. If you want maximum earning potential and you don't mind learning which games pay better, Mistplay is usually the stronger option. But if you just want a simple app where you can relax and earn small rewards without thinking too much, Rewarded Play is easier to start with. So to summarize clearly, Mistplay offers more strategic earning potential, while Rewarded Play offers easier but more casual rewards. The biggest takeaway is this. The best app is not the same for everyone. It depends on whether you want higher optimization or simpler gameplay. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, make sure to like the video, comment which app you're using, and subscribe for more honest comparisons like this.